Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the right NoSQL type for your access patterns, document for flexible objects, key value for extreme speed, column for wide tables, graph for relationships. Once chosen, provision the server or cloud instance and enable authentication and TLS so you're secure from the first query. Next, model one core collection or table with representative documents. Then create the primary index on the most common lookup field so your first queries run fast. Now you refine the middle steps. Decide embedding versus referencing by weighing read efficiency against update complexity, because that shapes join behavior and denormalization costs. Make compound and sparse indexes for your critical queries and run explain plans to confirm index usage. Adjust as needed. Implement batching, pagination, and projection to reduce network transfer and memory. Also configure consistency or write concern settings explicitly so you control durability and latency trade-offs. To finish, deploy with your chosen replication and sharding strategy and verify failover in a controlled test so you know recovery paths. Once live, instrument latency, operations per second, replication lag, and disk I/O set alerts on thresholds. Automate backups and rehearsal restores and schedule TTLs or compaction. If something breaks, check metrics for replication lag and full disk, then revert to a recent backup if writes are corrupted. Make sure to run the restore in a non-production environment first to validate it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.